how to transfer videos from PC to your Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can transfer videos from your PC to the Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are using USB cable transfer, then what you have to do is connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable. Now on your Android device, unlock it and select File Transfer or MTB mode when prompted in your interface in your mobile device. Now, once you're done with that, open File Explorer in your device. Head over to this PC and under this section, locate your phone model. After that, open it up, then navigate to the internal storage. After that, head towards the DCIM or create a new folder such as videos. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is drag a video from your PC or simply copy and paste the video files from your PC to the folder that you have recently created under your internal storage from here. Then your videos will be transferred to your Android device internal storage. But if you're trying to send videos without using your USB cables, then what you have to do is open up a drive. Navigate to this Google Apps and open up Drive in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you're here, you have to click on New at the top left corner. Click on File Upload. Then you have to select the video that you want to transfer to your mobile device and click on Open. Now the video will get uploaded to your Google Drive. So once you have successfully uploaded your video to a Google Drive, now you could also open Google Drive in your mobile device, log in with the same account, and after you open Google Drive in your mobile device, you will be able to find the uploaded video in your mobile device as well. And you could simply tap on the three dot and download and save it in your Android device. So this is how you can transfer videos without using any USB cables. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.